and welcome! Food plays a big part in everyday Romanian lifestyle, and it is also a very important part of any travel experience. That is why I thought I would show you a couple of common phrases that Romanians use at the table and that you're probably going to hear around during your stay in Romania and would be useful to know. So let's begin! Yagata Masa. This phrase is used to announce that the table is all set up and the food is ready to eat. It is normally followed by the next phrase, Hai la masă, which translates as come to the table or come and eat. Hai is an interjection that acts like a verb in the singular form, so it is used when addressing one person only. To address more than one person or a group of people, use the interjection haideți instead. So, haideți la masă. A slightly more formal way of inviting someone to the table is with the phrase poftiți la masă. When they're about to start eating or when they serve a meal to others, Romanians say poftă bună or Poftamare. This literally translates to good appetite or big appetite, and it is a very popular way of telling someone to enjoy their meal. Many times, Romanians will use instead the phrase să ai poftă in the singular or să aveți poftă in the plural. After they finish eating, Romanians often use sărut mâna pentru masă. That means something like I kiss your hand for the meal, and it's a phrase that expresses gratitude for the meal. To complement the food and the cook, especially children will add a couple of rhymes. Că a fost bună și gustoasă și bucătăreasa frumoasă. Which means because it was good and tasty and the cook beautiful. In return, the cook or the person serving the meal will say să îți fie de bine in the singular form or să vă fie de bine in the plural, which I personally find a little bit hard to translate. May it be good for you would be my clumsy translation, but it basically means I hope you enjoyed your meal. Alrighty, that's about it for now. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you've learned something new. And as always, if you have any questions or any suggestions for future lessons, just let me know in the comments. Okay, I'll see you next time. Be happy!